To open Wells Fargo online banking, start by going to the Wells Fargo website at wellsfargo.com. Click on the Login button at the top right corner of the page. Then select Enroll Now to begin the enrollment process. You will need to provide some personal information, including your Social Security number, date of birth, and Wells Fargo account number. If you do not have a Wells Fargo account, you can apply for one online or visit a local branch. Once you have entered your information, create a username and password for your online banking account. Choose a username that is easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Your password should be at least 8 characters long and include a combination of letters and numbers. After creating your username and password, you will need to set up security questions and answers. These questions will be used to verify your identity if you forget your password or need to access your account from a different location. Next, review and agree to the terms and conditions of the online banking service. This will include information about the security and privacy of your account, as well as any fees associated with online banking. Finally, click the Submit button to complete the enrollment process. You will receive a confirmation email from Wells Fargo with instructions on how to activate your online banking account. To log into your account, go back to the Wells Fargo website and enter your username and password. You can also access your account from the Wells Fargo mobile app, which can be downloaded from the App Store on your smartphone. Best practices for online banking include using a secure internet connection, keeping your username and password confidential, and monitoring your account regularly for any suspicious activity. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and securely manage your Wells Fargo account online.